God Food family, blessing, blessing, blessing. Raining in Kingston. It's raining cat and dog. Guys, I don't know if you can hear my voice. I'm telling you. It's raining here now. And it's after 2. And look outside. Heavily, heavily rain. Heavily, heavily rain and a lot of water down there. Yes, guys, but I'm safe. I'm inside looking out and it's raining very heavily. Wow, I pray for those people who live at the low-lying area. You know, I hope they make it to someplace safe before this rain because it's raining a lot in all the countryside and stuff, guys. Yes, it's raining in Kingston. Rain, rain, rain. It's not windy, but it's heavily raining. As you can see, coming down heavily from the roof, as you can see. Yeah, heavy, guys. Heavy showers. Yeah, very heavy showers. You should have some catchment to catch some water. See there? Pouring heavily out the roof. Wow. Yes, guys, that's what's going on here in Kingston. Rainy, rainy day today, and it starts early. It starts at least about 2:30. Yeah. So, guys, that's what's going on at in my side of the country. Not country, town, my side of town. Rain, 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 rain.